Okay, good day. Introduce yourself.
Good day, ma'am and sir. I am Luisa Jacinto Narciso, 29 years old, married. I have one son, he is 3 years old, and I am a Roman Catholic. I have one brother, and I am the eldest in the family. I have graduated as a college I took up hotel and restaurant services.
How long you studied in college?
2 years, ma'am.
2 years, okay. So, who will look for your kids if you're going to Hong Kong?
My mother and my husband.
Your family allows you to go abroad?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, you have a live-in partner for now?
I am a married ma'am.
Are you married? Okay. And you have experience before as a helper?
Yes, ma'am.
Where?
Here in the Philippines, ma'am.
For how long?
2 years.
How many members of the family did you serve?
2 adults and 2 kids.
How old the kids?
1 year old and 3 years old.
And what did you do as a helper in the house?
I do the household chores just like washing clothes, ironing, cleaning the house, and cooking.
You go to market?
Yes, ma'am.
How often you do marketing?
Once a week, ma'am.
What kind of dishes you prepare for your employer?
Filipino dishes, ma'am.
And you took care of the 2 kids?
Yes.
How do you take care of them?
I prepare their meal, change their diapers and clothes, clean their bottles, bath them, and playing with them.
How was your relationship between you and your employer before?
I have a good relationship for him.
Okay. Why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
I want to work in Hong Kong to spend the money for the future of my son and my family.
Okay, to earn money for your family,
Yes.
right? Are you willing to share job with other helper?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you ready to go Hong Kong anytime now?
Yes, ma'am.
Your day off will not fall on Sunday. You will be given only weekdays off. Is that okay for you?
It's okay for me, ma'am.
Are you willing to share job with other helper?
Yes, ma'am.
There's a grandparent staying in the house. Is that okay for you?
It's okay, ma'am.
Are you afraid of any pet?
No, ma'am.
You love kids?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you handle naughty kids?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, your future employer now is watching you. What can you assure and promise to them?
Hi, ma'am and sir. Please do hire me. I am willing to follow your instructions, and I promise to do my duties and responsibilities. Thank you and see you soon.
Okay, thank you very much. HL 2191.